Alrighty, so we've got 5 plus negative 10. That's a positive 5 and a negative 10. So it's kind of like, think about $5 cash and maybe you owe $10, right? So if you've got $5 cash and you also owe $10, what does that mean, right? So let's say it's like a, what's that? Or right. So you got $5 cash, you owe $10 at the same time. Put that together, and overall you owe $5, don't you? Make sense? Yeah. So that's all. That's all it is. I guess the question is, are we adding or multiplying? Is probably part of the question here, right? Is that what you're wondering? Okay. We're adding. So in this case, the parenthesis is just to separate the plus and the minus. Okay. So we could have written this 5 plus negative 10, and that would be fine. This parenthesis is actually not even needed, right? It's just there to kind of make it look neat. Yeah, it's just there to make it look neat. So 5 plus negative 10, negative 5, right? It doesn't mean multiply. If it was saying multiply, it would look like this. 5 parenthesis negative 10, right? All right. So what's different would be to do multiply. So this is 5 multiplied by negative 10, okay? Which is... Yeah, so like 5 times negative 10 would actually... Yeah, so like 5 times negative 10 would actually be negative 50. Because that's kind of like having 5 of these, you know, bills of $10. Like, so you owe $50 overall. Because you have 5 of these parking tickets. Let's say 5 parking tickets. Each of them are $10 each. That's negative 50. So just be aware of the parentheses. When it's a number beside something, it means multiply. When it's separated by a plus or a negative, that's a, you know, that's just add or subtract. So you might see something like, you know, 3 minus negative 2, which is different than 3 times negative 2. This is 3 minus negative 2. Negative makes plus plus, and so that's 5. Whereas in this case, it's 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. All right?